Time for morning chores, Petey. Let down the chickens. Let out the guineas. Check for eggs. No eggs. Food's good. Say hi to Mosey. Hi, Mosey. Oh, forgot to check for chicken eggs. Chickens, you can go downstairs, you know. Oh, an egg. Thank you, chickens. Any more? No? All right, let the chickens. Feed cats. No Petey. No Petey. Feed Hank, who's a good boy, Hank. Petey doesn't want to come in here. Come on, Petey. One more try. Petey. There's too much going on, new dogs and everything. Petey? No? All right. Well, I'll be right back. Feed the sheeps. Feed the dogs. Feed the other doggo. There you go, James. All right, Hannah, enjoy that. Oh, things quieted down, so Petey made it through the gate this time. And then we go down and feed the elderly sheep and goat their mash. I'll be right back, Petey. Or you could get under if you wanted. Just a second, Petey. Excuse me, John. Mash. Tasty. Sorry, there you go, John. Here, Lily Goat. Petey, you went under the gate. Oh, that's your mommy. You see your mommy? Oh, mommy, don't. Okay, come on, Petey. You want to enjoy some mash? All right. Petey, I'll be out here when you're ready. Check on their water. Good. Check on their hay. Needs touching up. Needs a refill. Petey, over here under the gate. Uh-oh. Confused. There you go. That's a good boy. Wash out the mash bucket. Add that good alfalfa and beet left over to the compost pile. Time to let James out. That was breakfast. Make the mash for tonight's dinner. Beet pulp with molasses. Tasty. Grain. And alfalfa. I normally use pellets, but I had to get cubes last time. That's what they had. Add water to the mash to make the mash. Set that aside for tonight. Get some feed for the ducks. It's got hot pepper mixed in. It's got cayenne pepper. Helps them lay and be healthy even though they're not laying. Petey, that's an empty bag, sweetie. Come on, Petey. We fill up the duck's water and add apple cider vinegar. Go visit the ducks. Hi, ducks. The ducks their grain. Not you, Petey. Whatever it is. No, Petey, you good boy. You good boy. Follow me, Petey. Oh, drop Petey off outside the ducks because the temptation is too high. Just a second, Petey. Their old water. Water our pawpaw tree. Fill up from you. I'm coming, Petey. I'm coming. We don't do this every feeding time, but let's give the cows a little something. Got all this cow feed and don't want it to go to waste. Oh, cows! Moo! Come on, cows. Dump out the water. Hi, cows. Where's the other one? Oh, there she is. Enjoy. Feed Duke. Hi, Duke. Feed Mocha. Hi, Mocha. Tell Duke to behave. Behave, Duke. Good boy. Found the hay stall. Remember, the elderly sheep were low on hay. Get a bit for them. Hey, Petey. Follow me if you want to, or else I'll be back. Take a trip down to the old folks. Hi, Lily Goat. I could have put more in, but that's okay. I'll make sure it stays filled. Go across and check on Rocky Goat. Check his hay. Hey, Rocky, come see your son, Petey. He's a good boy just like you. Let's check your hay. Could use a top off. Oh, we caught a sweet moment. Marple, I saw you snugging Tiggy. You love him, I know. Hi, Rose, sweetie. All right, go be friends with the cat some more. No chasey cats. Get some more hay for Rocky. Do the gate dance again. Petey, coming? Oh, with the dog right there. That's all right. Of course, now that I walked away, Petey's wanted me to come back for him. Nope, I'll be right back, Petey. Hi again, Rocky. Got your refill. There you go, that's a good boy. Hi, Tiggy. Petey, I thought you were going to wait for me in the barn. No, you couldn't wait for me to feed Rocky. Went back home. All right, well, I got your food now for you and your crew. Feed some goats. Feed some more goats. Feed Chief. Good boy, Chief. Good boy. That red on him is not blood. It is from some chalk that he got into because he's silly. Good boy. And I'm chowing down. Petey, thanks for all your help. Get off my foot, Tilly. Thank you. The sheep are ready for hay. I mean, the goats are ready for more hay. Bring down a bale. Fall and kill myself. It's kind of hard with one hand. I'm trying to video it. Slap it on the wheelbarrow. Now, the trick here is to open the gate while the goats are trying to ambush me. Oh, they stopped trying to ambush me. Oh, Chief, did you get them out of the way? Thanks. Snip the baling twine. Cut. Pull off the baling twine. Say hello, Blair. Wendy, who's Petey's little half-sister slash niece. Hi, Petey. Thanks for your help. Really. Got some hay for the sheep. The other sheep, the boys. Just gonna borrow some of this. Well, we're not giving it back, so I guess it's stealing. Petey, are you gonna help me this time, or you're busy eating? That's all right. Petey! Come on, Petey. Hi, Riley Bo. Throw some hay over to the sheep. Here you go. Let Petey go back home. Good boy. Thank you, Petey. You're a good goat puppy kid. Boy, sweetie. All right, go back home. Good boy. Thanks, everyone. Oh, Chief wants to say bye. Good boy.